You must develop a level of relentless execution by any means necessary. If you have nothing right now, no money, no leverage, no one to lean on, your only chance at a comeback isn't a brilliant idea. It's an execution capacity that strikes fear into others. In this age, average effort is worthless. The wealthy buy time, the middle class leverage networks. But you only have one asset to bet, your own flesh and blood. I call this the biological monetization protocol. You have no capital, but you have 24 hours of fuel to burn. While others rot on their phones, you grind until 2 a.m. While others rest on weekends, you grind on projects. This all-in sacrifice is the only exit strategy for the poor. But here's the flaw: how long can you hold out? Too many people scream about grinding but wither away after 3 nights of overtime. The will is burning, but the body has surrendered. You want to be a perpetual motion machine, but your hardware can't handle the mileage. Before you build execution, forge your body into a weapon. Fitness isn't a luxury, it's a survival requirement for the resourceless. A rusty knife in battle is worse than a wealthy man's stone. True elite players are never physically fragile. Discipline in the gym seeps into everything you do. When the clock strikes, you execute. Period. True elite players are never physically fragile. Only those ruthless with their bodies can be ruthless with their lives. First, sever the emotional nerve. Input a command, output a result. Zero emotional interference. These emotions are just energy leaks. True execution is living like a piece of code. Average people are too soft on themselves. They feel tired or feel hurt. They hide when criticized, rest when tired. Done is better than perfect. Never let your feelings override your actions. Done is better than perfect. Write 3 drafts, finish first. Second, force quality through quantity. Stack repetitions to force quality. Third, charge forward even when covered in mud. Perfectionism is a toxic disease. The 10,000-hour rule isn't about time, it's about repetitions. If you're getting rejected, stack 300 rejections. Half-baked action in the market beats a perfect plan in the drawer. Don't wait for the right moment. It's never coming. Half-baked action beats perfect plan in drawer. All elite skills are birthed from massive, boring repetition. Fourth, tighten your time like a noose. Cut the mindless scrolling and the useless talk. Don't wait for the right moment. It's never coming. That day will never come. Every minute must move you closer to the life you want. Half-baked action in the market beats perfect plan in drawer. Don't wait for perfect moment. It never comes. Stop chasing elevating your mindset. Cognition without massive action is a death sentence. Action is the only cure for fear. It only creates a gap that will drive you insane. Stop chasing the poison of just elevating your mindset. Cognition without massive action is a death sentence. Destiny isn't changed by the clarity of your thought, but by the ferocity of your execution. The world's best prizes go to aggressive doers, with calloused palms and bloodshot eyes, busy enough to have no time for anxiety. Action is the only cure for fear. You're still researching whether it's reliable. Thinking money will come after figuring it out is a lie. Stop chasing elevating your mindset. The aggressive doers with bloodshot eyes. Cognition without massive action only creates more pain. Forge your body into a wall. Passive learning is just advanced procrastination. Destiny isn't changed by thinking clearly, but by doing ruthlessly. The guy who isn't as smart as you. He doesn't understand business logic or market trends. 3 months later, he's already cashed out. The world's best prizes are never handed to the pretty thinkers. They only fall into the hands of the aggressive doers. The ones with calloused palms and bloodshot eyes. So stop asking me how to make it. First, forge your body into a wall that cannot be knocked down. Then, turn yourself into a relentless execution machine that ignores all logic. When the speed of your action is so fast that even fear can't catch up to you, the entire world will move out of your way.